today I'm going to be showing you how to undress and redress your Yogibo Support. First thing you're going to do is unzip the cover and then pull from this leg off. Just makes it easier. Taking the cover off. Same thing on the other side. And if you need to refill any bead in your bag, you're going to locate your inner zipper. We use a special lock zipper, and what this does is it makes sure that it doesn't accidentally unzip and beads go all over your house. What you can do to unzip the lock zipper is use a zip tie, paper clip, or even the ties that are around your bread bag. So now that we are going to put the cover back on, it's important that you take it and pull the cover inside out. It makes it easier while dressing it. And then what you're going to do is put one arm in one of the legs. You're going to grab the bottom of this leg and pull the cover over. Just like this. And then you're going to go to the other leg, put your other arm through this one, grab the bottom and do the same thing. Once you get to this point, what you're going to do is you're going to grab the ends of your cover and you're going to shake away from you. What this does is push the bead down the cover and gives it that shape of that U that we like in the support. Then you're going to go to the other side and you're going to do the same thing with the shake. And then with this excess cover, all you're going to do is grab the cover, pull towards you, and this just tightens up the cover, puts all the bead in the right spot. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then you're going to grab each end of the cover and you're going to shake away from you, getting all the bead really down into that cover. And all you have to do at the end is zip it up. And that is how you redress your Yogibo Support.